Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about the how to install the Mac build. So firstly, go to the website, Robonito website, and go to the website link. So here is the two options: download the Windows build, so download the Mac build. So here is the two options. So you can install the Mac Intel, you can install the Mac Silicon. So I have to install the Mac Intel build. Click on this. So now you can see build is downloading. Start. It is depend on your the net speed. So here is starting the download. So after download completed, we have to install on the Mac. So build is downloaded successfully. You can see here. Click on this. So now you can move to application folder. So move to application folder. After that you can see open the application folder. So now you can see here is the showing the Robonito, and click on this. You can allow the open. So now you can see build is installed and open the browser. So now you can see here you can create test case and like this, and it is the dashboard. So thank you for watching. See you next video.